Hello, how are you all doing? I hope you are well. I have a message for whoever needs to hear this right now. So if you're drawn to this video, this may be for you. Take what resonates and always be true to yourself. So what do we need to know right now for the person who's watching this video? I want to say welcome to the new subscribers. We have the Sun, the Ace of Cups, the Judgment card. So you guys are usually very high vibe, positive people. So there could be some emotions going on right now with the Ace of Cups. I feel like there could be things around you that could be bringing you guys down, but you're really making effort to stay in a higher vibration. You're making effort to stay in a happy place. But sometimes things can happen and it kind of pulls you down, but you guys are really doing things to keep yourselves up here instead of going down here. Judgment. This card has been coming out so much in the readings lately. This is transformation. This is rebirth. And this is your goal. So there is change. You want change. I think you want change from this so you can stay in that place and not keep going up and down, up and down. Stay in that happy place. You guys are positive, I feel, with this card. Usually more optimistic. And there could be things or people around you that kind of pull you away from that. The Ace of Coins. So you could have recently started something new here, a new goal. You could have recently started working on a new goal, a new job, a new hobby. Or making plans to do that. Here's the World card. So I feel like things feel good about this, whatever this is. I feel like you guys feel good about yourselves, but there's things around you that can pull you guys down. So you guys are really making an effort to stay up. The Magician. The Magician is your power, your magic. You're making things happen. You're the creator. So I feel like you guys are feeling good about yourselves within. And I feel like in the future, you guys are looking forward to creating more, whatever it is, abundance in whatever part of your life that you are hoping to bring this in. Maybe for some of you guys, it's in all ways. You could be open to have abundance in all areas of your life. Maybe for some of you, it's like a particular thing. I feel like you guys are creators, creative with this World card. This usually means completion, success, everything. But I'm getting creative vibes from here. I feel like if you have the support around you, you guys can really do anything that you guys really want, that you guys set your mind to. The Strength card. There could be some fears that you could be facing right now, because this is all about facing the fears and feeling your true self without apologizing for it, without holding back who you are, feeling good in your power, feeling good about yourself. This is what this card is about. So some of you guys could be facing some fears, insecurities. Maybe there's some things that you want, some changes that you want to, maybe that's what you want to bring in. Some of those other things that maybe you've pushed aside that you may want to face, and that'll bring in a new freedom, a new something for you guys. The Seven of Wands. Yes, I'm feeling like around you guys, the Seven of Wands is about standing your ground and defending yourself. So I feel like with this Ace of Cups, when I say like there's things around you that could be bringing you down, or maybe there's someone that's negative or people that don't support you, I'm feeling like this is all about you may be feeling like you have to stand your ground or explain yourself, or you feel different, like you feel almost like, I almost want to say like you don't fit in or people don't understand you, but you're standing your ground, or you're starting to feel better about this. So this is really about facing any fears of self-doubt or unacceptance from others, and standing true to who you are, what you want to do, what you want to manifest, what you want to bring into your lives. The Seven of Cups. And then we have the Hanged Man. The Seven of Cups is about choosing. I feel like your circle, your people, choosing wisely. It's about seeing things, the truth in a situation. So if you have choices and options, you guys are really thinking about being careful with who what you're choosing, who you're trusting, what you're working on, what you're drawn to. So you guys could be thinking about slowing down when it comes to making decisions and not making such quick decisions right now, because you could be protective of your energy, because you guys are staying in that higher vibration, that higher energy, that you want to stay in a happy place. I mean, we all go up and down, but we can do things to keep bringing us up and stay there more often than not, like not staying stuck in a lower vibration. The Hanged Man. This is the future card. So I'm feeling like in the future, you guys might get to a place where maybe some of the things that maybe bothered you before, this could be a goal also with this Judgment card, is that you're not going to stay in a place where these things bother you. So maybe some of these fears, like it's almost like you're going to free yourself of them. So you're going to take an action, you're going to think about it, take an action, and then let it go. So you guys could be at a place where maybe the things that bothered you yesterday are not going to take up that space in your mind as much as the things that you want to create. The Magician card. This could be very possible for you guys in this group if you resonate with this reading. Of course, take what resonates, because everyone's situation is different. The Ace of Wands. There could be new passions here. You could be drawn to something new. This could be a person, a situation, a place, a job, something, a hobby, anything. So there could be a new, or even just a feeling of passion within yourself. The Wands are all about passion, determination, and it's about action. So there could be a new thing here. I'm going to take the last card, the Eight of Coins. The Eight of Coins is working, and it's working towards the goals. It's things are going to be good when you do this. Usually it's like you're busy doing your thing, getting involved in your thing. So you could be also have something new, having something new that you're going to put more energy into, and not so much energy into like when you're making those decisions on who you want to give your time and space and trust to. You're going to maybe be pulled to your own goals, your own hobbies, your own work, whatever it is, maybe even yourself. You could be feeling like you're going to give more time and energy to yourself and less to others, where maybe you cared more about what they thought or what they said, where you're going to be letting some of that stuff go with the Hanged Man in the future. So I really feel like you guys are transforming again with this Judgment card, or continuing this transformation on another level, where it's going to bring you some peace in the near future. So with that, I leave you with light and love. Take care. I'll see you soon.